Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade Chef, our YouTube channel where we'll be making different recipes. Today we'll be making tomato chutney, which can be used as an accompaniment for many dishes like idli, dosa, chapati, etc. It can also be mixed with rice and had. It will be spicy, tangy, sour, and sweet as well. So if you eat it once, I'm sure you will ask for it again and again. It can be made with very few ingredients and very easily. Let us see what are the ingredients. Firstly, we need tomatoes, of course, and we have taken 5 tomatoes here, and you can roughly chop it and keep. And now red chilies we need based on your spice level. Here I have taken around 25 of them, both spicy and the colored one, the Kashmiri one. And we need hing and also 2 tablespoons of methi. Now in a dry pan, let us roast methi seeds first. Roast it until it is slightly brown in color and roast it evenly. Now let us keep it aside. And in the same pan, add little amount of oil. And let us add all the red chilies. Roast it until it is crispy. Don't burn it, just be careful about it. And after this is done, grind methi and red chilies to a fine powder. And let us keep it aside. After grinding the powder, let us make a fine puree of the tomatoes. Don't add any extra water to it. Now in a pan, take some oil, like half a cup of oil. A little more also would not do any harm. After the oil heats, add mustard seeds. When it splutters, add hing. And after that, now we can add the tomato puree. Let us wait for this to splutter. Now let us add hing. Now is the right time to add tomato puree. Let the tomato puree boil well. Let us add salt. And you can use either sugar or jaggery, but I am using jaggery here just to make it a little more healthy. Let us also add the fine powder that we ground now. Mix everything. Keep mixing once in a while so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Here I am adding jaggery. You can add jaggery according to your taste. And in case if you feel in the end that spice level is not sufficient, you can add some red chili also in the end. And keep checking in between. It has to boil until it becomes a thick paste like this, and it will start leaving oil from the sides. You see, it has become like a paste now. This can be stored in a refrigerator for a month or two. Just ensure that not even a drop of water falls on it. So our chutney is ready now. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. Let us know in your comments if you liked it.